Hello children, today we will learn chapter 4 Notepad. A computer has an application software that lets us create, edit and save documents on a computer and print them too. It is called the word processor. A word processor allows us to type a text, correct wrongly spelled words, include drawing in the document, save a document or open it again. There are some word processing applications that allow us to type Notepad, WordPad and MS Word. Notepad. Notepad allows us to do basic typing on the computer. It is very useful application software. You can use for simple type text. It has unlimited pages. In case you write wrong, then no need to write again. You can make the correction on the same page. That is called editing. Notepad is a basically text editing program. Now let's learn how to open Notepad. Click on Start button. Click on All Program. Click on Accessories. Click on Notepad. Your Notepad window is appear on the screen. When Notepad opens, you can see Notepad window has these elements. Let's learn about that. Title bar. This shows the file and the application name. The title bar has three buttons: minimize button, maximize button and close button. Minimize button, it will make the Notepad screen smaller. Maximize button, it will make the Notepad screen cover the full screen. Close button, it will close the Notepad screen window and the program. Menu bar shows the 5 options that are used to give command in Notepad. Text area. This is the area where we can type text. There are two scroll bar in Notepad: vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. Vertical scroll bar is the scroll bar at the right edge of the window. We use it to move the page up and down. Horizontal scroll bar is the scroll bar at the bottom of the window. We use it to move the page left and right. Typing and saving a file in Notepad. At the top of the window, you will see the menu bar. Follow the steps to type the text in Notepad. First, click on File. Second, click on New. And third, start typing your text. After typing, again go to the menu bar to save the file and exit. Follow the steps. Click on File. Click on Save. A Save As box appears. You will see the option File Name. Write a name for this file. For example, me. Click on Save. Your file will be saved in the computer. Again go to the menu bar, click on File and click on Exit. So children, I hope you all have understood this chapter 4 Notepad. Thank you.